What's up guys, Karis here from Yuga Tech. 2023 wasn't the most innovative year for consumer tech, but without a doubt, we all saw some cool and heartbreaking stuff all throughout. In this video, we'll be presenting 5 of what we think are the best flagship smartphones released in 2023. Quick disclaimer, the phones mentioned on this list are still available on our local stores today. Pricing information is taken from the official SRP at launch. Now, in no particular order, let's begin with the device also mentioned in our best gaming phones of 2023 video. For the mobile gamers out there, the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is one of the most powerful gaming phones you can purchase today, boasting 16 gigs of super fast LPDDR5X memory and 512 gigs of UFS 4.0 storage. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display capable of up to 165Hz refresh rate. It has a cool 2-inch OLED display at the back that users can customize to allow for different functionality based on what's happening with the device, like notifying you on incoming calls. Its processing power comes from a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset that features an Adreno 740 GPU and clock speed that peak at 3.2 GHz. Runs Android 13 with the ROG Zen UI skin on top. Though its cameras are not its strong suit, they can still take usable snaps for the most part, especially in well-lit environments. It features a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. For video, it allows shooting at 6K at 24 frames per second, 4K at 30 to 60 frames per second, and FHD at 30 to 240p slow motion. The 32MP front-facing sensor can shoot up to FHD at 30 frames per second. The ROG Phone 7 Ultimate only retails for 66,995 pesos for the 16 gigs of RAM plus 512 gigs of storage configuration from the ASUS website and selected retailers. Next is the Realme 11 Pro Plus. Launched in the third quarter of 2023, the Realme 11 Pro Plus showed nice changes from its previous iterations. We love our hands-on with the device changes such as the design, improved cameras, and new chipset were a noticeable improvement. The Realme 11 Pro Plus showed off premium construction by producing a back panel with soft-touch leather-like material built in different colorways, which added to its appeal. The Realme 11 Pro Plus housed rear camera sensors and a circular camera module. A 200-megapixel primary camera headlining the show, paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. For video, the rear cameras are capable of up to 4K at 30 frames per second. Meanwhile, in front is its 32-megapixel selfie camera. Color reproduction comes out nice and vivid, nice for social media posting. It features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that features 120Hz refresh rate, which is great for mobile gaming. Under the hood, a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chipset that sports a Mali G58 GPU powers the Realme 11 Pro Plus. Our review unit features 12 gigs of RAM, which can be increased to a total of 24 gigs with RAM extension, paired with 512 gigabytes of internal storage. The Realme 11 Pro Plus sells for 24,999 pesos for the 12 gigs RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage. Config at Realme's e-store and official channels. Our third spot goes to the Xiaomi 13 Pro. The Xiaomi 13 Pro brought their camera game to another level. Its triple rear camera setup consisted of 50-megapixel main, ultra-wide, and telephoto sensors. Features a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Xiaomi 13 Pro camera system was co-engineered with Leica. The reality with the lenses exceeded and met the expectation of fans for the most part. Camera results can be seen from our previous review with the device itself on our channel, which you can see right here. The back panel featured a glossy ceramic finish, which did attract fingerprints easily but was easily mitigated with the case. It featured a 6.73-inch LTPO OLED panel at an Ultra HD resolution. It features a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are very accurate and could get really bright with support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, which made using the display for media consumption a visual treat. The Xiaomi 13 Pro would set you back 59,999 pesos for the 12 gig RAM and 256 gig storage variant. Following the Xiaomi 13 Pro is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Firstly, the camera system on the latest iPhone is a mobile videographer's dream, with ProRes log baked into the mix. The iPhone 15 Pro Max 48MP main camera, 12 megapixel telephoto, and 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera system are a delight to use, with its 12 megapixel front-facing camera perfect for social media stories. Compared to earlier Pro Max versions, the 15 Pro Max is lighter and more robust, thanks to its grade 5 titanium alloy frame. In reality, the alloy is composed mostly of aluminum on the inside, with titanium fused to form the outside barrier. Another welcome change is its new charging port. From Lightning cable to USB Type-C, the EU really got Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max to good form, but it's also powered by Apple's latest A17 Bionic chip and iOS 17. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a 6.7-inch OLED panel and its new action button, which features customizable functionality for different actions. The iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at 91,990 pesos for the 256 gig variant, and the price goes up depending on storage. Last but definitely not the least is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Out of all we mentioned, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra maintained its spot as the best Android flagship for 2023. Whether it's the staple of the Galaxy S series, its software support a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 made for Galaxy. Highlighting the quad camera system of the S23 Ultra, it features a 200 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and two 10 megapixel telephoto lenses, and one of them being periscopic, with a 12 megapixel front-facing camera positioned at the top center underneath the display. Additionally, with One UI 5.1 out of the box, upgradable to One UI 6 based off Android 14 is a great device that features 4 years of software updates. It has two RAM configuration, 8GB and 12GB, and a base storage capacity of 256GB that can be increased up to 1TB. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra gets that beautiful 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that features a 120Hz refresh rate, and color accuracy, especially when set to the more natural option, give us great opinions. With a peak brightness of 750 nits, viewing in the sunniest of days was never a problem. Though its form factor may seem similar to its predecessor, there are minimal differences like the slightly boxier and flatter sides. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra starts at a price point of 81,990 pesos for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage via the official website, and should be on sale soon with the upcoming Galaxy S24 series on the horizon. And that's it for our top 5 flagship smartphones from 2023. We would also like to feature some honorable mentions like the Vivo X80 Pro, Honor's Magic 5 Pro, and the OnePlus 11 5G. But at the end of the day, in this flagship level, and pricing bias comes from preference. So what do you think about our list of best flagship smartphones released in 2023? Do you think we should have added foldables to the mix? Let us know in the comment section below. Now, if you find this video enjoyable and informative at the same time, hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and visit yugetech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Carlos, and I'll see you in the next one.